Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Markets. So today I'll be talking about XAU USD parent will do the Forex analysis for 13th to 17th July 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in XAU USD on Friday. So as you can see on Friday 0.10% negative move, 4119.36 was the closing. So here now I'll be talking on what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's open our weekly chart. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bearish candle with a small body and a medium or a large lower wick and a small upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 8 to 4 level, which is indicating as a positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair like any news or important events and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So here, this is a 1-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So currently, if I talk about the daily chart, some important support zone and resistance zone are already marked. So currently, we don't need to mark any new levels. Let's straight away talk about the closing first. So here, 41.19 is the closing here. The direct support is 41.09. Direct resistance is 41.44. After direct support, there is a support of 40.63 and then 40.29. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 41.77 and then 42.08. So these are two important support zone and a resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So here, before I talk about my opinion, if you don't have enough capital to trade or you don't know how to trade in Forex market, then I have already shared prop firm links in the description where you can open your account from there and get funded if you don't have enough capital, where you have to just pass the challenge and you will get a funding. All the prop firm links I have already given in the description. I have also shared discount coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platforms. So if you're interested, you can use those links and use that coupon as well. But if you think this prop firm has very strict rules and you don't need to follow or you don't want to follow such rules while trading, then you can also open your own live account which is from the GTC FX. I already given a link in the description of GTC FX. But if you want to know or if you face any issue while depositing and withdraw, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will help you with the same and I will also solve any issue if you face in GTC FX. So do use that link if you are going for any live trade. You can start with $10 as well in that GTC FX, and there is also a live or demo account as well where you can practice your own strategies. So now let's talk about XAU USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive move in this range, that is 41.44 to 41.77. I'm expecting a positive momentum till this range. But if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 41.09 gets breached and a 4-hour or a 1-day candle gets closed below this, then you can go for a short till this level, which is 40.63. Even you can wait for 40.29 as well. Overall, my expectations will be positive in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.